some transitions here. Evaluate guess. Yes, we've got some transitions, so let's copy them here. Oh, okay. Voila. Now we've got a page. Page is substituted by a view state. So here we've got view state, give up. We don't have to write a view ID since it's similar to view state, and Spring will know that we want to display give up HTML site. We're giving the directions and transition, but of course we're using on instead of name. Here we've got a subflow, but of course Spring Webflow can deal with subflow also, so we just have to change the name of the tag to subflow state, and we can easily copy the transition. What do we have to also add in a subflow tag? Well, we have to define an input to the subflow, and this input will be our number guess bin. Here we've got two page remainings. Well, we just easily can substitute them with a view state tag. And same to lose. Okay, now we have to create a cheat subflow. Alright, let's base on cheat subflow from scene number guess project. In the start state we've got only transition, so we can easily delete it. Okay, so let's substitute it with a view state here and here. It will be a NID. Okay, you don't have to have this on evaluate instead of action. Here again, transition on. Oh, well, we can leave view attribute, and here redirect instead of this redirect tag. Voila. What we still need is a presentation layer, so let's easily copy it from view directory from scenes project. Well, I don't need some files from here. Okay, let's copy it to my flow directory. And what do I have to change here? Well, I have to do some changes because I can't use scenes button, so I will substitute them with Spring Webflow command buttons. This button, guess button, needs to send some formula inputs, so I will have to add process IDs attribute to it, and that's all we need. The great thing with this flow navigations is the fact that we don't have to use any entries in faces config, which is messy, which is usually messy. Here we've got only facelets declarations. Well, in fact, the same is in Sims project. We've got only facelets declarations, but let's see whether it's working or not. Let's browse to Spring. Okay, I have to start my Tomcat. I will browse to my Spring project and to a number flow. Let's browse to a site. Looks quite similar. Well, you can't see it, but last time it was 48. Maybe we will be lucky this time. Let's try to guess. Unfortunately lower, so maybe 24. Oh, we're quite lucky in fact. Okay, so why don't we try 12? Maybe 6. No, 3. Do we have a... Are we lucky today? Let's try to... Okay, so as we can see, Spring implementation is a little bit better because we needed only 6 guesses instead of 7. If you're interested in more similarities between Spring and Sim, I hope you will be able to see it on Jazoon in June. Thank you.